Are you looking for the non-sports trading card packs from different brands on the market, such as Cosmic Gaming Collections, Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading Cards, Hamet, Spin Master Games, Squishmallows, but don't know where to start? We've selected our 5 best non-sports trading card packs after extensive research and designed a buying guide to help you pick the best option. To compile our list of the best non-sports trading card packs, we've researched and evaluated a range of the best-selling non-sports trading card packs on the market, costing between $8 and $124. Right on top of the list is Cosmic Gaming Collections non-sports trading card pack. Check out our best 19 for all of our favorites, and be sure to read our buying guide to get all the information you need. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my details. So let's jump to the video without the Number 1. Comic Book Collection Gift Pack. Great Marvel Comics, the perfectly mixed Marvel Comics collection, filled with a wide array of Marvel comic books. In this Marvel comic lot you could receive Spider-Man comics, or other great Marvel titles like X-Men comics, Captain America comics, Avengers comics, Fantastic Four comics, Daredevil comics, Wolverine comics, Punisher comics, Star Brand comics, Incredible Hulk comics and other fantastic Marvel comic book titles. The perfect collection of Marvel books for a great read. Diverse selection. The perfect wide selection of 25 comic books for any collector. Great addition to any comic book collection, or a great option for reading a fun comic book. These make excellent books for teens. You receive a wide variety of comic titles from a host of iconic characters. The ultimate comic book grab bag experience with old and new books. This comic lot is your source for cheap books with the characters you want to see. Perfect gift. The best Marvel gift for any occasion. They make great Batman gifts for men, great Superman gifts for men or Marvel gifts for men. They are a great addition to any teen grab bag. You could be the best superhero, and the person who gives the best Batman gifts. A great gift for a comic collection, or a great random stuff for teens gift. A great random cool stuff gift idea, or a surprise mystery box for men. A fun comic book box for anyone. Hand selected. Our team takes a meticulous approach in hand selecting a good mixture of books from a variety of titles, storylines, and genres. Each book is reviewed for condition, so that you only receive good condition or better books. Comics can range from older vintage books to new comic books, and will come from both the Marvel and DC universe. Number 2. Hamet Trading Cards Binder. 1. Enough capacity. This trading card album has 40 pages, 9 side loading pockets in 1 page, 360 total. The strap is an addition that helps keep the binders closed. Cards won't fall out from the top. 2. Premium quality sleek black design plus lightweight material make it more upscale. Soft fabric makes the card easy to slip into the slot. Thick vinyl with some texture which helps avoid scratches and card sticking. 3. Suitable size. Folder size 12x 9.6 in. Inner pocket size 2.7 inches x 3.8 in. Perfect standard size card album, storing the majority of collectible cards effortless. A must-have item in your gaming room, showing your collection to your friends easily. 4. Waterproof and stain resistant. This card guard binder keeps your collection cards from being scattered or wet. You can also show the cards to the kids instead of being concerned about their grubby little hands. 5. Use occasion. Hamet Card Guard Binder is compatible with Pokémon card, sports cards, idle cards, business cards, game. Number 3. Picture Guessing Board Game Bundle. 3 new packs in 1. This bundle includes brand new picture cards with themes that are sure to excite the entire crowd: Disney, Spider-Man, and animals. Get your competition on with these addicting new packs. Expand your current game. Now you can expand your core Headbands game with exciting themes. You can also use this bundle as a standalone game if you have more than 3 players. Simply switch off using the headbands. Includes 1 exclusive character headband per pack, 15 exclusive cards per pack. Fun for the whole family. Next time you get together with family and friends, bring along a Spin Master game. The perfect activity for memorable game nights, birthdays, dinner parties, vacations, holiday, and Christmas gifts, and anytime you just want to have fun. Exclusive character headbands. Each theme pack has a super fun new headband to wear, from Puppy Ears to Mickey Mouse and Spider-Man. These will make it even more fun to ask questions like, can I fly? That exciting fast-paced family game. Headbands is the quick question game of what am I? Number 4. Atom Sport Fans Gaming Card Collection Binder. Safety material. Low friction black backing material for easy card insertion. Acid-free, non-PVC, archival safe pages, durable and sturdy, can keep your cards and coupons away from water and dirty. Large capacity. 9 pocket per page, 20 pages holding 360 cards. Super standard size cards or photos with 2 3/5 x 3 3/5, 6.9 cm x 9.1 cm. Dimensions are smaller. Warm service. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions and suggestions. We are ready to provide you with high-quality customer services. Unique design. Side loading pockets make it easy to insert or pull out cards, but holds them in place tightly. Amazing elastic band on the cover holds the trading card folder shut and prevents the cards from falling out. Suitable for all standard cards, this binder is designed to fit a variety of cards. Compatible with Magic the Gathering, Pokémon, Yu-Gi-Oh! World of Warcraft, Transform. Number 5. Marvel Champions, the card game. Team up to take down Marvel's fiercest villains. Marvel Champions. The card game is a cooperative card game where players work together to stop some of Marvel's most iconic villains. Pick your favorite Marvel hero and head into battle. This is an expansion for the Marvel Champions living card game. This is not a standalone product. You will need the Marvel Champions, the card game core set, in order to play with this expansion. Work together like true Marvel heroes. Each villain that players battle offers a unique set of challenges, attacks, and events. To succeed, players will need to balance their hero's strengths and weakness with those of the heroes their friends are playing as. Teamwork will be essential to save the world. Number of players and average playtime. Marvel Champions, the card game, is a cooperative card game for 1 to 4 players and is suitable for ages 14 and older. The game takes about 45 to 90 minutes to play. Hulk. This pre-built aggression deck gives you the. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the price of the product, please see my description for any problem. Please comment below. Stay up to date with our great products. It makes your life so much easier.